Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ju from Happiness and Crafting. So today I'm just going to show you a few things that I'm going to pop into my Etsy shop. So I've got a bit of a restock on some physical stuff. So I've got three sari fabric journals here. I have got two little journals in a bag here, and I have got these two lovely ring binder journals here. So what I'll do is I'll quickly flip through these first. These are two very similar. So I'm going to open this up. Let me make sure I'm in the middle so you can actually see what's going on. I might just pop a little bit closer. Oops, wrong way. There we go. So these are beautiful. These are just ring bound journals. I've had them sat actually in my room for a little while because of COVID. I haven't put them in the shop because I didn't want to send them off because of the post. So these are beautiful. So I've got a little pocket on the front there. That's like a little Hessian, not Hessian, calico fabric on there. This is a little envelope on here, and we've got some little tags in there. So we'll pop them back in there. Put that in. Then we've got lots of the little envelope there. So these are lots of different shapes and tags, and all into a little ring binder, which I absolutely love. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So we've got a little journal here, not a journal, a little writing spot there, so that pops back into here like that. And then little tags here, and little glassine bags. This comes out, then we've got here, we've got another little tag in there, little letter there. I don't want to show you too much, just a quick so you can have a little look, but it's nice to get these home and see what you've actually got, because I love these. I absolutely love them. Little note there, little tags here, and little journaling card there with a tag like this, little notelet there, and then in the back we've got a little journal here like that. So I think these are beautiful. Love, love, love them. Lots of little bits and pieces in there, and it's just all tied together with a lovely bit of lace there. So that's that one. Then we've got this one, which is the lovely pinky one. So it's just held together with some velvet ribbon. So again, we've got a little pocket there on the front, a little pocket here, a little envelope there, got a little card in there, pop that in, lots of little bits and pieces in here. So it's just a quick flip through so you can just see what you get. And I absolutely love these papers, absolutely gorgeous. Lots of little bits and pieces in here to journal on, and postcards and pockets. Love it. This one and this one. Oops. Little postcard. Well, that's tied together, so it all looks nice. And you've got a little pocket there. Comes through. And then we've got a little journal at the back of this one as well. These are beautiful. Absolutely love them. Love making these. Really did. I think I might even make some more because I love them. And it's all just tied together. So just a quick flick through just so you can see what you get. Pop that over there. Now these are two the same. Well, one's pink and one's green. So they're just little sandwich bags on here, and I've added a bit of the calico fabric as like a little envelope top, and then inside we've got a lovely little journal. Now I think this has probably got about, I don't know, 35-40 pages in there, which are all tea coffee stained, with a little pocket. I think it's beautiful. It says life is beautiful, so I'm loving these. And then on the front here we've got a little journal there, which pops in, and then it says embrace life. So I think they're gorgeous, lovely. These would make lovely Christmas presents. And then this one, which is the green one, a little pocket there that says happiness on there. That's got a little booklet there that pops into the little pocket, and this one says peacefulness. And then inside we have imagination, a little bit of sparkle on there, my little seam binding flowers, pocket there, and then we've got the same amount of pages in this one, which are lovely. So it's just a fabric journal cover, which I think are beautiful, really lovely. So that goes in there, if I can get it in, there we go, and then it just ties up. Oops, and the little seam binding, oopsie daisy, and there we go. So that's those two, and then we've got three lovely oopsie daisy journals here. So the first one is sort of like the creamy goldy one, which I will open up like this and show you. I think they're beautiful, lovely colours on there. Now I've got a little pocket in the front here, and I've got a little postcard in there as well. So these papers here, it's got 5 signatures in it, and each signature has got about 10 pages in there, and they've all made with the jelly plates, and you can see the gold. I hope you can see the gold on there. I think it's beautiful. So they're jelly printed on here, so each signature has got its own little paper on there. There's another one there, so that's that one there. And then we've got this one, love them, I absolutely love these, and this one and this one. And it's nice fabric cover, which is beautiful, really lovely, and it's just tied together with some seam binding. So that's journal. So we've got 50 pages, so that's what, 100 pages front and back on these, which is lovely. This is beautiful. This is the beautiful blue one. So that's the cover, which is absolutely gorgeous. It's very sort of like mermaidy, it reminds me of the colours. So inside you've got the beautiful blue prints on there, and you've got the beautiful blue and green postcard. So you can see again we've got the lovely gold in there, and then that's the first signature, and then we've got a lovely green one on this one, which is there. They look great. So that's 2 signatures, that's the 3rd signature, that's the 4th one, just got the coffee stain paper, and then that's the 5th one. I think they're beautiful, really lovely colours, really lovely. So that's that one, and then the last one is the purple one, which is this one here, which is purples, and it's got some beautiful silver on there as well. This has just got the seam binding on it, so opened up like that, which is gorgeous, very royal, I think. And these are the lovely jelly plate prints on here. That's your postcard, little pocket in there. So this is the first signature, and that's like that. This is the second signature. Again, we've got all the lovely gold on it, beautiful, really lovely. Beautiful gifts for Christmas. I love these, absolutely love them. And then they just tie together with a little bit of seam binding. Nice seam binding bow. So that's the purple one, that's the blue one, and I'm going to call this one the cream one. So they're absolutely gorgeous. And then these are the 2 little bag journals on there, and then we've got the 2 little ring binders on there. So there we go. These will be going to my shop this week, or probably tomorrow, or today. They will be in the shop when I show this video anyway, to confuse you. Alright guys, well thank you for joining me. You take care and I will see you soon. Bye bye.